Hello everyone, welcome to another series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is World Health Summit. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Recently, global leaders committed to donating $2.54 billion for eradicating polio at the World Health Summit. Now let's discuss about World Health Summit 2022. It is an international health conference held in Berlin, Germany from October 16 to 18, 2022. The World Health Summit was founded in 2009 and held annually since then. This was the first time the World Health Organization had co-hosted the Global Health Conference. The theme was Making the Choice for Health. Focus of the summit was on pandemic treaty, polio eradication, digital health, and universal health coverage. Aims of the conference are to strengthen exchange, stimulate innovative solutions to health challenges, position global health as a key political issue, and promote a global health conservation in the spirit of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation pledged $1.2 billion to the largest international public health initiative, Global Polio Eradication Initiative, that is GPEI. Now let's understand what is GPEI, that is Global Polio Eradication Initiative. The GPEI is led by national governments with 6 core partners: Rotary International, the World Health Organization, the US Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, United Nations Children's Fund, that is UNICEF, the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, and Gavi, the Vaccine Alliance. Its goal is to eradicate polio worldwide. Now let's discuss about polio virus. Polio or poliomyelitis is a disabling and life-threatening disease caused by the polio virus. The virus spreads from person to person and can infect a person's spinal cord, causing paralysis. It is endemic in just 2 countries, Pakistan and Afghanistan. Now let's discuss about polio cases in India. India was declared polio-free in January 2014 after 3 years of 0 cases. The eradication was the result of a successfully pulse polio campaign. The last case due to wild polio virus in the country was detected in 2011. Subsequently, WHO removed India from the list of countries with active endemic wild polio virus transmission in 2012. India launched the Pulse Polio Immunization Program in 1995. Since 2014, the government made the oral polio vaccination, that is OPV, mandatory for those traveling between India and polio-affected countries. It includes Afghanistan, Nigeria, Pakistan, Ethiopia, Kenya, Somalia, Syria, and Cameroon. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements regarding the World Health Summit, that is WHS. 1. The World Health Summit was founded in 2009 and held annually since then. 2. In 2022, for the first time, the World Health Organization has co-hosted the Global Health Conference. Which of the above given statement or statements is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.